taxes. We are lose whole heap of money because China not pay tax. And China them not have some of the biggest businesses them in Jamaica, so them not pay tax. If them get a tax exempt, why Jamaican will live in a country not get tax exempt? What Jamaica government agreed to America to do? Member said that is a big deal, you know. For America go put it in them database to track down people when student loan. Remember this, I know drugs, I know crime. It's a student loan and have nothing to do with America. So if America agree to do that, what Jamaica agree to do for America? Think about that. Make that soaking on the brain for a minute or two. What the Jamaica government agree to do for the American government in return for them doing that for them?
Look how Donald Trump I got send me home with my belly. Jesus. Ice. At least you make it out for Barney, though. Your mother go home with your brother or your sister, you know. Watch how you think of. Sure. I could make one last cheese smile. Come. Watch out. What you have to say about Trump win? Send out a message. What you have to say? What you have to say? What you have to say? I laugh your fuck. You're thinking it was thinking funny, you were laughing. Yes.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We are blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know the story ain't complete if King Mix-Up ain't on the beat. And as you can see, black Jamaicans is being targeted in America for unpaid student loans because we know so they're rich. Not take loan in Jamaica for them to think that, yes, and I said, put in the comment section where you think about that, because I keep on telling you, we know about Uncle Sam, but we don't know John Bull. And they go hand in hand. As you can see, the Jamaican motto was stolen from America. This is why people like Samantha Azan, you know, apologize to you local Africans, as I put it right in front of you. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, just read the things, you see me. But as you can see, a serious business are going on hands right now. You feel me? And they're not letting you guys leave the plantation just like that no more. And them are gonna send for owner. You know what I mean? So let's hear what Foota Hype is saying, because you know this ties in with the Donald Trump situation. But we know, say, who's in the administration right now. So that's why man say, don't worry about Project 2025, but not the New World Order. That's another discussion, you see.
So what you talk about? What you talk about that will never happen. Trump can do whatever he wants because the puppet masters are enabling him to do whatever they tell him to do. You think a Trump will do this by himself? Trump and Kamala have the same boss, you know. If you never know, you know. The same person where give Kamala or chose them are the same person that give Trump chose them. That's why they chose them share. Anyway you go, you lose something. Anyway, you got wicked for you. Because if we get Kamala, would have alright immigration wise. But castration would have work. Your picnic can make decision for themselves. Them all make man can do operation for cut off them penis or prison and put vagina. All of them something they have to go deal with. So you say, no, you don't want that. And you go over Trump. And go over Trump and Trump and say, here we go on a straightness we are dealing with now. But uno now they have to enjoy the straightness. They go on the yard. Even if you have a blue book. Even more, this is what I want to listen, you know. Because someone who hate bad people so bad. That's when you know see you own a demise, you know. You ignorant for bad people so bad. That's when you see you own demise. Donald Trump not like no immigrant. Whether you come from border, whether you come legally, whether you come illegally, whether you forward on ship, plane. Alright. Even if you're born in America, the man still not like you. The man still not like you. The man say, if you're not a citizen and your breeder have picked in America, the pickney are not a citizen either. And guess what? It can happen because England do the same thing. And England run America. No found you don't know that. Somebody still talk about wife. You saw Donald Trump look like him care about wife there. Donald Trump business about wife. If Donald Trump try deport Obama, who is me and you? But when you say, when you talk about change constitution, Donald Trump who won the Senate and the House right now. We don't see that. We don't know nothing about politics. Donald Trump have the Senate and the state and him win the election. So you think him can't change them there? Them the ruler? He can. Who don't think about people Trump not like? Trump not like no immigrant at all. The man want to get rid of y'all if you have passport. All if you are citizen, naturalized citizen, the man want to get rid of you. So what not talk about? When you figure say, and Donald Trump separate family and have baby in a file paper in a concentration camp, all now today as we speak, some of the parents and pitney them not see back each other. Uno not using a brain. You don't need no link for research that, brother. Just go in a Google and talk it. Like what I say. Them a interview one of Trump worker since yesterday. And the lady asked him, say, so what about families being separated when you got deported? The man said, oh, that's not a problem. The whole family can be deported. The man said, we don't have a problem with that, man. Since the family are going to be broken apart, we will deport the whole entire family. So if you don't watch news, you keep on the mouth locked. The man say, if there's a problem with the family being broken and torn apart, that's not a problem. We can just simply deport the whole entire family. Now, I want to speak to the labor right them now. Big up the labor right friend them, because I have some die-hearted labor right friend. Love you know as my friend them, but I'm a lunatic. Common sense not really common, you know. But me have to try show you what go on, you know. Remember, a couple years ago, me, O'Neal Foota Hype Thomas, turn on the phone here and telling us, say, please do not vote in Andrew Holness. Do you guys remember? When still play deaf ears, 1 clock chicken voting Andrew. Be madness him do. You know what you do? You go back again and vote in Andrew again. No. Some of you don't watch news. So, you don't know what going on in the news. The Jamaica government, I want you to listen carefully. The Jamaica government has partnered in an agreement with the United States of America to put an injunction upon all immigration status if you owe student loan in Jamaica. Meaning, if you did there Jamaica, a study and I got UER anywhere owe student loans. You migrate, you live a foreign, you're legal, you do your legal job, I live your legal life. Now, them can put an injunction on your green card, put an injunction on your passport, your citizenship, whatever it is, because you owe student loan in Jamaica, different country, different time, you know, owe America nothing at all, but your government, the Jamaica Labour Party, agree with America. So you know, say, Jamaica have to give them something for them agree to that. So now, you can just drive legally, you're not criminal, you're not come through no border, you never do no crime in America, you never do nothing. But you can lose your status. Because you owe a student loan in a Jamaica. Somebody say nothing wrong with that. How cruel are you? How wicked are you if you say nothing wrong with that? How heartless? How treacherous? How evil can you be if you say nothing wrong with that? Something wrong with that. Student loans they ever pay in America. People homeless are living in a Walmart and them trolley and basic when they get money to pay a student loan. America can't ever collect all of them student loan, much less. And you are going to disrupt somebody's life. Somebody's life, you know. Because they owe student loan at Jamaica. Somebody says, so do you think it's right for owe student loan? Do you think it's right for the Prime Minister to have 128 million in his account and don't know where it come from and say it was put in there by accident? Do you think that's right? Answer my question now. Do you think that's right? So the same Prime Minister when now set example because people are foreign, we are take care of how much people at Jamaica to get deported because them owe student loan. So you will lose your status where you there help your family because you owe student loan. Them can write off that. Them can write off that. Remember Andrew said the money in him account him don't know where it come from. Or by accident. So all you want hold people accountable for student loans and want to lose them American status because them owe student loan at Jamaica? Adri Willie say me always a spread propaganda. So the Gleaner and TVJ News I spread propaganda then, brother. Come on, send labor at them send you over here, but make it make sense. And not me build up that story. Yeah? It is printed in the Gleaner. It's on their website. It's on TVJ and CVM. So all that mean me I spread propaganda. What is propaganda? Fear majors. Oh, me I spread propaganda. Brother, yeah. Let me add you to the live. Let me see. Oh, let me add you to the live. Let me add you to the live. Cause you have a lot to say. Come talk. Come we talk to each other. Cause more I know how me I spread propaganda when I something with on all news platform. How that is propaganda. You see it? In add to the live. In add to the life. Come say a bit. Because you accuse me of being a liar. When this is something where they are all over the news. Oh, this is propaganda. Raz, what go on? But brother, if TVJ, Anglina, and CVM are going to put out that, but the Prime Minister and the current government, you know what happened to them? We are talking about fake news. You see, Jamaica Labour Party has sued them. Razo, it will make sense and madness the man I do. So, alright, if you are going to damage people status in America because of a little student loan, probably 120 or 130,000 or 150, Andrew, how much grant you get? How much money you get for your power? How much money you get from pandemic? Where them there? I know you can't account for the money. You can't give it clarity for your illicit riches, but you want to come all student loan people where they are foreign and live a different life and help them family accountable. Make it be a tax write-off, man. Make it be a tax write-off. Make it be a tax write-off. Oh, so a man for lose him green card because him owe some money for student loan. Me can't agree with that, you know. Me no know who I got pre me, but me can't agree with that. But Maureen, you pay more taxes regardless. Alright, alright, alright. See there as a that if you know Andrew try scrape every dollar before him come out. Listen to me. Uno chat up on the mouth. And about and more taxes if it be tax write-off. Who is paying Andrew for the 300% increase in MP? Who are paying the politician them for the 300% increase? No more taxes that. And then now do not work. You know see road them at Jamaica. Uno say the hospital them no tissue, no bed, no machinery. So we not about extra taxes and we not about that. Oh, we not talk about the 300% increase what them get. We not talk about that now. No more taxes that now we not pay it. No, we are pay it. I said tax increase that. So we not say. So why you want to cripple somebody in America because they owe a little student loan? We are help them family. Them be American who wanna work and I put back money in our country. Because them a send money come help them family, them a build up them little house, them a do them thing. So you want America to take away so much people green card and citizenship just through student loan at Jamaica? All that makes sense. So you would want to see everybody who some student loan will do good for themselves in America and I help people you say down there suffer with jobless and homeless and you would like them get deported to come back in the melting pot to come face hungry and war again. No more crime that they are gonna have. Because when them get deported now, Zine, true little student loan. Now they in America again. Everybody in the house broke and hungry now. How much job you have to give them at Jamaica? So the thief, you know, got turn up, the crime I got turn up, and you know, police right already. Of course, I think they should pay back student loans, but if they don't, you have to do tax write off. Even in America, student loan and everybody pay it back. Everybody don't have it for pay back. If Jamaica they have a better economy, they would not hold the student loan in the first place. People them not have it. So what? To them who are student loan, them shouldn't it come off foreign. Them should come try and make a better life and help out them family. You think it's fair for you lose your green card or your American citizenship because you owe some student loan at Jamaica? Tell me the God Almighty truth. More you wicked or bad mind yes, right? You think that somebody if you get deported from America to go back in Jamaica, them a kill people like fly. Where as a deported you got Jamaica, you're not sure if you live out the week. You feel like say that is fair. If you think that fear, put fear, let me see. Somebody typed something very important a while ago. Somebody said, why the Chinese not paying a tax? Why you want to get Jamaicans deported, but you don't want Chinese paying a tax in your own country? In a Jamaica, Chinese not paying a tax. But you want Americans to get the Jamaicans in America to get deported. You would have rather somebody get deported because they not pay a student loan. Me can't agree with that. Me can't agree with that. Me can't agree with that. Brother, on a taxes, we are lose whole heap of money because China not pay tax. And China them not have some of the biggest businesses them in Jamaica, so them not pay tax. If them get a tax exempt, why Jamaican will live in a country not get tax exempt? So why the people them where type and a talk now want join the life? Every time we try add somebody where chat say, them agree with it, them now want join the life. Oh, Angela talk about the amount of money where them rent building when I use for how much years and I pay out too much millions of dollars. Why them they can't do some tax write-off for the student loan them? It is not fair. It is not fair. So you the American now, talk the God truth. When they are gone you way, hungry kill you, your mother never have it, your father never have it. You there foreign now do you could not even remember about student loan. You could not even have a clue in your memory about it. And you just drive one day, police pull you over, run your name. All of a sudden you're gone out of ice in a jail. Because your status is questionable because your own student loan in Jamaica. Be, make it make sense. How much are we mother and sister and auntie and brother and uncle I got end up at ice in a lock up in a jail after I find lawyer and bag of something. Just because you're old look a student loan at Jamaica and you never do no crime in America, you never broke no law, you never broke no rule, you don't rob nobody, you don't shoot nobody, I don't know, you not sell drugs, you not, you live law abiding life. That can make sense. Oh, that makes sense. So all your good mother now We have nurse, I work at hospital. I work hard. Your sister, your auntie, we are the nurses here, then I do them thing. And I walk a straight line in America. If you end up down on ice, lock up in a jail cell because them old student loan at Jamaica, from them are 16, 17 or 19, 20, 20, 21, wherever the age group be, to get student loan. And them are 30 at 40 at now. And forget them status revoke or them status tampered with because them owe student loan at Jamaica. That makes sense to Uno? Let me ask you something. That make sense to Uno? Andrew, the government of Jamaica, I mean I say Andrew, because I come like someone of vex when I say Andrew. The current government of Jamaica agree to that with America? Guess what? No, no, pre. If America agree, remember America agreed to that, you know. So if America agree to do all of that for Jamaica,
Yeah,
what
put in the
Jamaica
comment section
government
where you think
agreed to
about that.
America to
No,
do?
you know, Foota Hype is trying to sue Vibes Cartel over the straight, logo business. So go for my King Mix Up on word, my
Member said that is
YouTube
a
page.
big deal, you know.
Check it out.
For
See me, but
America
we're
go
not going to
put
with
it
this no longer. You
in
see,
a
man, say,
database
bless.
to track down people when student loan. Remember this, I know drugs, I know crime. It's a student loan and have nothing to do with America. So if America agree to do that, what Jamaica agree to do for America? Think about that. Make that soak in on the brain for a minute or two. What the Jamaica government agree to do for the American government in return for them doing that for them?
Put in the comment section where you think about that. No, if you want to see why he's suing Vibes Cartel over his straight business, swing pa my King Mix Up channel. One word King Mix Up. You see, man, I say, because we're not long into no longer warriors. We're more bag of to drop on with next page. Let me see it. Bless.